The person you are trying to call is currently busy. Busy in a world that needs no buffering.
Mage hada obama soyana heti happy ai me ma pagan biti te basak nyanna inavagevi yali homo enne kedina da happy obavi masule denu ante tune Madre